Phantom, are you trying to bury Sabrina in the sofa? What are you doing? No. No. What was he doing? He was trying to bury her in the sofa. No one's going to touch her, I promise. Good God. Have you ever seen an attachment to stuffies like this before? It's raining. Come back here. Come here, Phantom. Phantom. Come to Mama. Come here. Come here, my boy. Come here, honey. Come. It's okay, baby. It's okay. She's fine. Look, she's right there. Okay, are you okay? Are you okay? Poor puppy. He has such an attachment to his stuffies. Tried to bury her in the sofa. Not gonna work, buddy. Look, she blends in just perfectly, Phantom. He knew where to put her, right? Camouflage. In the zebra sofa? You're camouflaging her in the zebra sofa? Is that what you're doing? You're too smart. She just blends in perfectly. Okay, where are you going? Bye, Phantom. Bye. Bye, buddy. Bye. Coming back? No? All right. You're so funny. Look, he's so smart. You put her in the zebra sofa. Definitely camouflage. What a smart cookie. You're too smart.